I told you to get that spoon, you owe me a fillet.
It's not a spoon.
Did you take it off?
Yeah, I took it off, I just got the glow beads on.
Glow beads on. Oh, please.
Can we see it yet?
It's coming up your line, Steve.
Is that going to hit Steve?
That's my leg.
Hang on, let's let me get to the fish, because it's only lip hooked again.
Is it?
Yeah. Now go on.
Got it?
Of course I have.
Good man.
That's a nice fish, Stevie. Thank you.
That's the biggest.
That's a nice cod.
Yeah.
Thick in the head.
Got a gob on it.
Yeah. That's a nice fish, isn't it?
No comment.
Go on, hold it out then. Come on, Steve.
Hold
Nice
up,
one.
high, Steve.
Okay, do you? It's right here, that's it, I've got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've got it, yeah.